Hello guys, and welcome back to another video in this series. This is the last but one video, and we are doing the continuation of the Glitterbels advent calendar for this year, and we are going to be boxing days 21 through to 24. So let's get straight into it, guys. So day 1 comes in a box like this. Excuse that, I just lost my phone. Oh, and we have a full size HEMA-free gel polish. That box, and oh, it looks like a really nice sparkly silver. Wow, that is really sparkly. Like, I'm liking that one. Cool, cool. So day number 22 comes in the same box, but the colour is reversed. This feels much lighter, so we have got a key ring. These are what I call filler products, and I know all companies stick filler products in. It's, you know, it's just something that they do. Me personally, I just don't care much for filler products. So it's got their logo on it. It's nice. It's plastic. Nothing spectacular. Yeah, you know, it probably cost them like, because they buy these in like bulk order, it probably cost them like 20p to make, if that. But yeah, so that was day 22. Day 23 comes in same kind of box again. This is much heavier, so more promising. And we have another gel polish, full size, HEMA-free again. And this looks like it is a white. Maybe, no, it is a pale sky blue. I will be swatching these gel polishes for you guys, do not worry. So very, very nice. And then day 24, same kind of box, nice and heavy. So for the last and a final day, let's see what we got. We have got another full-size gel polish. Very, very nice. And this looks like a yeah, like a very pale metallic rose gold colour-ish. So I will go and swatch these gels and I will be back, guys. So just to recap what we got. Day 21, we got this full size gel polish in this silver, which is just stunning. Day 22, we got the keyring. It's a keyring, what do you want me to say? Day 23, we got another full size gel polish in this really pretty, very pale baby blue colour. I do like that very much. And then for day 24, the final day, we got another full size HEMA-free gel polish, and it is this really nice metallic rose gold colour. So yeah, very, very, very nice. Obviously these fillers I'm not a fan of. If you've been watching this series, you've heard me go on about fillers. So yeah, this is what we got for day 21 through to 24. I really, really like it. And then the last video, which will be up in this series, will be me going over everything that we got in this advent calendar, my opinions on it, you know, whether I think it's worth it and what changes I would make if I was to do this calendar. And then the things like all these like gel polishes and the glitters and whatnot, I will actually go on their website, I will find out the prices, I will add it all up, and then we will see if it is actually worth your money. So don't forget to keep an eye out for that video, and yeah, I'll see you all in another one, guys. Bye.